Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can add or link your bank account on your Coinbase account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, what you have to do is you'll have to log in into your Coinbase application. For that, you'll have to open up your web browser, and on the search box, you'll have to type in www.coinbase.com, and you can also find a login link on my description box below. And once you're on the official site, tap on the login button, and then on the other interface, enter your login credential. Once you're logged into your account, next page you have this kind of interface. So on the home page, you'll have to tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, from the drop down menu, tap on settings. So once you're on this page, what you have to do is you'll have to tap on add a payment method, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you tap on add a payment method, right in center there's a pop-up. So right over here you'll have to select the method. Since our video is based on how to link or add a bank account, so then you'll have to tap on bank account, which is right on top. So after you tap on it, right in center, once again there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on continue. So on the other interface, once again you'll have to tap on view link account, which is right at the bottom. So right over here, you'll have to specify the amount sent to verify your account. And once you're done, on the other interface, you'll have to tap on verify in the bottom right corner of your screen. So then, in order to verify your account, you'll have to enter the amount of your two transactions that appears on your bank statement. And once you're done entering your amount, tap on verify transfer account, which is right at the bottom. And if you have provided the correct information, and on the other page, your bank account will be added or linked to your Coinbase account. So that is how you can add or link your bank account on your Coinbase account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.